that I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you,
BB Kids,
So we
back with another mukbang. So today we're gonna be doing is a McDonald's mukbang. So we both have
10-piece chicken nuggets, and we have another 10-piece chicken nuggets. So
we both got
and we have the chocolate chip.
we got Chips Ahoy, McFlurry, and then we have some Mighty Hot Sauce, barbecue sauce, and ranch. So
AKA what you call it, rich. Yeah, let me check off that does.
okay, guys. So
Really
let's
well.
get started. I'm
Okay,
starting.
let's eat this. I've been waiting my whole life to taste this.
And these are spicy chicken nuggets. So let's open this wrench. I'm gonna be trying with the wrench first, so
Because this is so good.
okay.
Come to daddy's
1,
stomach.
2.
But it's really hot.
It's actually good.
So really that we never been posting because
Yeah, we haven't been
This-
posting.
cause this weird name doodle virus and the breath virus, it's real. It's getting real. So everybody that's our breast thing is getting real. So we don't want your breast to stink, cause it's getting real.
Okay, so now I'm about to be trying it with this hot sauce.
That's gonna burn your whole throat and mouth.
I like hot sauce.
Bruh, really dog. You gonna be like this.
Okay.
Me, what the?
So we haven't been posting in a long time, but we finally back. So this tastes good. Giovanni, did you taste your chicken nuggets yet?
Nope. I got the spicy nuggets. Oh, look, it's burning. It's burning. And I don't know what to do with. I feel like a wow.
You like it?
So, it is kind of spicy.
Try it with your ranch or barbecue sauce.
You said my barbecue sauce.
I don't even know what you just said. It's good with all sauces, but I like it with the hot sauce better.
Did you try this? I can't get my tongue from off of it. Oh, make me twitch.
Guys, these chicken nuggets are so good.
Because
But you know what?
look at that big chahoy up in there. It's like, look at
Chahoy.
yeah, look at that big old chahoy. Chahoy.
Okay, chahoy.
Chahoy. Or what I like to call it, a toy. Little joke for ya. With a choke.
Guys, I like these chicken nuggets. They good. It's spicy.
Sorry, because
Sorry,
the
guys.
camera went off.
So, I'm going to eat some french fries.
But this is banging. Buying some merch.
Guys, this is what I'm gonna do.
So, y'all look at that ranch. Hold on. Got it. So, guys,
I don't know if you guys confused, but these
it's
a little
spicy
red.
nuggets. And got enough spicy. Okay, so because so you know why we was quiet.
So guys, mine looks very melted a little bit, but that's okay. It's still good.
So
Yeah, this is a little hot. It's not like real hot, but it's hot.
it's burning up my whole throat.
It's not. It's just burning my mouth a
Somebody
little
call the
bit.
Amsterdam. It's too spicy. I need the Amsterdam. Jesus help me. Jesus what else?
Yeah, I like it the best with the wrench. So yeah, I like this. I like everything actually.
This ice cream has spoken to me to finally eat me all the way to the fullest. All you ice cream people, you're about to run hot. Because I'm going to eat you, my precious.
Sorry about the ice cream on my chin. So I
But
only
this ice cream
have
fit, chip clip it.
5 chicken nuggets left. That's how good they are.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have 3 more left. That's how you look. I only have 3 more left.
How did you eat more than me? But I started for you.
You know I'm a cookie here. So guys, I've been asking my whole mom, can we make this video?
Yeah.
Jesus! But when I pray over this good old feast, I'm gonna say, Jesus! And this food I will to eat.
So yeah, this is good. I like this. Yeah.
I'm finna do a dance for my friend. So EB Kids, so the reason I got on this Laker jersey, you can see it's a LeBron James, both of them only have James. Because the Laker game is coming on and I'm watching it, so yeah.
And so online school,
Okay.
I don't like it. I want to go back to real school,
It was fun.
but I do online school. So that's what I do.
Hold on. And I have a fact to make. Are you Shreks and are you hippopotamuses? I just hope you go to the gym and rock that chairman like. So that's how you're gonna be working that chairman. Where's the town?
So online school is stupid and boring. You like online school?
Snitch. Snitches get stitches, right, everybody?
So yeah, I do not like anything bad. I don't like school. I don't like.
Sorry, look at this.
So, yeah. The coronavirus is stupid. So yeah. And yeah, I only have one chicken nugget left.
Oh, you know, that's what it is. Eat that.
Is that good?
Mm.
Yeah, my mouth is burning right now. It's on fire. So. Whew. My mouth is hot.
Right.
So I need French fries.
So,
Yeah.
she ate her whole entire bowl. No.
Yeah, those chicken nuggets was that good.
Uh-huh.
That good.
Mhm.
So, the French fries are good. He didn't eat any French fries so
Yeah.
far. So yeah,
Right.
these French fries is very salty. So my mouth is burning right now.
Yeah, I'm finna dance for this good old feast to eat. That's how you busting down, people. All you elderly, you baby kids, and your young kids, and your 27 and your 99 people. I just want you to do this dance because it's busting on the haters. Haters gonna get jealous. It's tweaking, and dabbing.
Okay, y'all. So my mouth is still hot.
My mouth is like sticky.
That's because
From-
I was dipping my chicken nuggets in this hot sauce.
Super hot. Excuse me, all my old people. So let me get back to my ice cream feast.
Y'all, the caramel in this is so freaking good.
But this caramel,
It's caramel in it. I taste it. Yeah, it's caramel in it.
oh, so that's right. I had the yellow stuff.
So, I'm done with my chicken nuggets. I'm full. Actually, I'm full. So, and my mouth is burning.
Here is that.
So y'all,
This French fry tastes like rotten milk. Like the milk that go rotten and it turns out that doodle color.
so my ice cream melted. It's like just a
Look, let me go
milkshake
use
now.
that too.
A milkshake. So I'm full. I don't know about Giovanni if he's full, but I'm very full. Okay. I gotta stop eating that hot sauce. That hot sauce is good, but making my mouth hot. And this is how I put it.
This moment in the midst of my stomach here. And It's gonna be blow. It's gonna be
My
blowing.
mouth cooled down a little bit.
Excuse me,
Is you done?
I need to puke.
Is you done?
Excuse me. Hi, EB kids. So we finna watch the Lakers game.
We're done eating all our food.
So this is the end of the video. So bye, EB kids.
Make
Don't-
sure you like,
Subscribe
comment, and subscribe. And
Bye.
hit the bell.
Gang, gang. Bye, EB kids.
Bye, EB kids.
Can you stay and I will grow, grow